KineMaster PDF to Word Converter is a powerful desktop software designed to convert PDF files to Word documents. Download and install KineMaster PDF to Word Converter, then launch the software and add the PDF file you want to convert by clicking the Add File or Add Folder button on the top toolbar. Choose a page range according to your needs. You can select all default, current, and range, then customize the output file destination by clicking Browse to choose a preferred location. Click the Start button to initiate the conversion process and store the converted Word document in your desired location on your computer. In case you have Microsoft Word installed on your computer, you can utilize its built-in functionality to convert a PDF to a Word document. Step 1. Launch Microsoft Word on your computer. Step 2. Click on the File tab in the top left corner of the Word window and select Open. Navigate to the directory where your PDF file is stored. Select it and click Open. Microsoft Word will attempt to open the PDF file. Step 3. After opening the PDF file in Word, a message will be displayed, indicating that Word will convert the PDF into an editable Word document. Click on OK to proceed with the conversion process. Step 4. After the conversion, Microsoft Word will display the converted document, which you can now edit and customize. Access the File tab, then choose Save As from the available options. Step 5. Finally, designate a location on your computer to save the Word document. Specify a name for the file and opt for the desired file format, such as docx or doc. Finally, click on Save to save the Word document. Google Docs, a web-based word processing platform, offers a convenient method to convert PDF files to Word documents without the need for additional software. Step 1. Go to Google Docs and sign in to your Google account. Upload the PDF file by clicking on the plus new button and selecting File Upload. Step 2. Right-click on the uploaded PDF file in Google Drive. Select Open With and choose Google Docs. The PDF file will open as a Google Docs document in a new browser tab. Step 3. In the newly opened Google Docs document, click on the File menu, hover over Download, and select Microsoft Word. Docs. Google Docs will convert the PDF to a Word document format and download it to your computer. Adobe Acrobat, a widely used PDF management software, provides built-in functionality to convert PDFs to Word. Step 1. Open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and access the PDF file that you intend to convert. Step 2. In the right-hand pane, click on Export PDF. This option might be located under the Tools tab or as a separate button, depending on your Acrobat version. Step 3. In the Export PDF panel, select Microsoft Word as the desired output format. You can further customize the conversion settings if needed. Step 4. Click on the Export button to commence the conversion process. Acrobat will convert the PDF file into a Word document. Step 5. Once the conversion is complete, choose a destination on your computer to save the Word document and click Save.